Evla's Baby Food Maker. Evla's Baby Food Maker is a unique kitchen appliance that simplifies the process of making homemade baby food. The device functions as a steamer, blender, and baby food processor, allowing parents to create nutritious meals for their babies quickly. The Baby Food Maker enables parents to steam, blend, and process various fresh ingredients, ensuring high-quality meals. The steaming feature helps preserve essential nutrients in the food. The device is user-friendly with intuitive controls and easy-to-clean components, making meal preparation easier and saving parents time and effort. The Baby Food Maker's compact size fits perfectly in any kitchen, making it a handy addition to a parent's kitchen. The appliance is made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, ensuring that the baby's food is free from harmful chemicals. It also has built-in safety features for added peace of mind. The Evla's Baby Food Maker enables parents to control their baby's diet, offering a wide range of homemade, organic, and preservative-free meals. It promotes healthy growth and development by providing essential nutrients. Check for baby food processor and steamer, homemade baby food machine, nutrient-preserving baby food maker, and BPA-free baby food appliance. Get tips that include quick and healthy baby food preparation, versatile baby food maker, steam blend puree baby food machine, compact baby food processor, and safe and efficient baby food maker. Check out our new baby store in Trinidad and Tobago, with tips on caring for newborns, baby gifts, and clothes for newborns to toddlers.